Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete Google Gemini in chat history. I opened Google Gemini the other day and realized I wanted to clean up my chat history. So I went into the main dashboard where all my past conversations are stored and expanded the left side menu to view everything I had previously asked. And from there, I hovered over a specific chat and clicked the three dot options menu where the delete button appears, and once I selected it, the conversation was immediately removed from my history, which already felt pretty straightforward. But I also checked the deeper settings by going into the bottom left gear icon where activity controls are stored, and inside the activity section, I found options to manage or automatically delete older data like anything past 18 months. And I could even set up auto delete preferences for ongoing history management, and after confirming those settings, everything updated right away, which honestly makes it really convenient because you can either clean things manually or just let the system handle it for you, depending on how much you control you want over your data. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.